How to write process analysis essay. Process analysis is a creative style of writing essays that tends to explain a series of experiences. It is written in a chronological manner to help readers understand and follow the steps accordingly. In order to write a successful process analysis essay, it is vital to include all significant steps without skipping any of them. A writer should have the ability to arrange all steps in a way that makes sense and easily leads to a conclusion. Now, we will look at some important steps that will help us understand the right way of writing a process analysis essay. It is always better to write about topics that are less confusing and easily understandable. Also, the topic should be broad. Although vast topics include various steps, it is always convenient for the writer as well as for readers to completely get an idea about the specific process. Before starting an essay, it is necessary to think about the topic, which could be easily understood and written in a creative manner to convey the message clearly to other readers. The first step needs a strong viewpoint and consideration regarding the selection of the topic. A writer should have enough knowledge about the topic that he or she is going to include in the essay. Take the decision about whether to explain the whole procedure or just a part of any process. To make it easier, write in a professional manner and make sure to concentrate on each and every step while explaining. In addition, while writing a process analysis essay, the writer should think about the readers who are going to read it. Also, the reader's perceptions and knowledge should be considered. This will help write a creative essay. Moreover, the writer should understand what message should be conveyed to the readers and what is important for them to learn about the particular process. While writing, consider that either the reader is going to perform that process or they will just read it. Make a decision regarding your point of view and choose to write in a manner that will automatically compel people to actually perform the process. The thesis statement is the most important part of the writing piece. The thesis should be catchy and provide the audience with the main highlight of the process. Also, that one sentence should portray the importance of the process. The thesis should be concise and complete, which could give an overall view of what is included in the essay. Now, start writing an introduction, which should include complete information regarding the topic's background or the process. It should show the importance of the particular process. After providing a significant background and thesis statement, now concentrate on the most important step of arranging all steps included in the process in a chronological manner. This is a crucial step because it needs to be done professionally after complete research and analysis of the process. If the correct chronological order is not followed, the whole process can be very confusing for the readers. Try to use clear and simple language, along with easy vocabulary, to help the audience better understand the whole process. Start explaining the process by using words like first or initially and further lead the process essay with the words like then. This pattern gives the impression to the readers that they are following or going through a particular process. Try to explain all steps separately and avoid merging two or more steps together because small sentences and one idea per sentence give a more creative and professional look to the process analysis essay. In the end, write a concise conclusion. Do not give any new ideas in the conclusion. The conclusion should simply be the restatement of the essay's thesis statement. After writing the whole essay, revise it carefully to search and remove all errors. Also, it is advisable to perform all those steps practically to ensure that this process is applicable and reliable. From the above understanding of the writing process analysis essay, it could be understood that every type of writing style needs complete knowledge of the pattern, which should be strictly followed to write professionally. Also, it helps the audience identify the main message of the essay.